Let's take a look at how to set up our Vario tool to do some piercing. In the piercing box, you are going to find two different sizes to make holes, either a 2.5 millimeter or a 3 millimeter. And you're going to have two pieces for each of those sizes. You also in this are going to have some of these little, I like to call them purple crowns, and they are going to be what holds your parts in the top of the Vario Creative Tool. You can see on the part that the size is listed right there, and each of the parts have their sizes on them. This is the 3 millimeter part that we're going to insert towards the base. The piercer is the 3 to 4 millimeter piece. So it has a pointy end, and the pointy end is going to be inserted in the top of the Vario Creative Tool. We're going to put the crown on this piece by putting it with the circle down and the prongs towards the top. It's now ready to be inserted into the top part of the Vario tool. So we're going to insert this into the top of the Vario tool, just like that, with that purple crown on there. And now in the bottom section, we will choose which size hole we want, and we will put that down with the numbers towards the base. So we'll put that right in there like that. We're now ready to use the piercing tool to make a 3 millimeter hole with our Vario tool. So to make a punch, all we're going to do is lift this up. We're going to put our fabric down, and you either want to have a fusible backing on your fabric, or if you're going through multiple layers, it should be okay. And you're just going to poke it down and push on that till you hear a little click. Now you have a hole in your fabric, and you're ready to either insert your rivet or your snap. Make sure you look at other tool sets and accessories for your Prym Vario tool to get the most out of your purchase.